It's your girl, This is Word, and your girl, Doro. Hi guys, so I'm about to do the acting Ratchet prank in front of my sister. I told her that we have to record a video and she doesn't know, so I'll be doing disgusting things. I'll be acting Ratchet and I'll see if she'll call me out or if she'll wait to shout at me like after the video has finished. She's washing her face now, so I'll see you guys soon. What is up, family? It's your girl Babhekwa Dlamini, aka This Word. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome, welcome, and welcome. And if you just clicked on this video and saw these pretty faces, welcome, darling, welcome, welcome, and welcome. As you can see, today I am not alone. No, I'm not alone. I'm with my darling, my beautiful, yes, sexy, smart. Woo! Look at the beauty, guys. With my beautiful sister, she's joining me today. So today I thought I'd just bring her along, so you guys can just feast on this beauty.
I mean,
who
didn't want to see this?
Like, whoa. So today we'll be doing what are we doing? We don't even know what we're doing.
I don't know
what it's called, but
yeah,
assumptions something tag sister tag something. So we'll just both be answering questions, guys. Yes. I sent you the pic.
You did.
I did.
On where? On WhatsApp? Let me check.
No, on Facebook. Facebook's TikTok.
But I can't see. Oh, okay. I can see.
Okay, wait. First, I'm thirsty. I want to drink water.
Water. Where's my water? It's fine. Really? Man, don't do that. Okay.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
You did something.
What?
And it's on camera.
What did I do?
You both know.
Okay, so
out loud.
As we were saying.
Hey.
Let's start. Do you want gum? My public gum?
No.
You don't gum. Can I chew gum?
No, you.
Okay, fine. Let's get on with this video. Okay, read the first question.
Who's the eldest? Obvious, as you can see, guys. I mean, look at the face, look at the forehead, look at.
Actually, judging from our foreheads, I look like I have a bigger forehead than you, so.
But mine is hard.
I'm 12
That's
years
what I was trying to say. My forehead is hard. So
it's hard.
It is. But it's painful.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I humbly apologize. Next question, please.
Oh, Pila, you read the second question.
Okay, I read the second question. Mm-hmm. Who loves to eat pizza?
Okay.